Welcome back to another episode of Go Fishing. I'm Tim, and this channel is all about inspiring you to get out there and go fishing. This week, short video. I do apologize. I haven't been keeping a regular schedule lately, just due to the fact that had some life-changing events happen over the last couple weeks, and I just haven't been able to get out there and fish, film, anything like that. So this video is just a short clip of a few hours I went out before work back in the beginning of June. You could still consider it early spring, pre-spawn era, maybe rolling into the spawn. But basically what I was doing, I was just hitting weed patches with the KVD square bill and also a swim bait from Pro Tour Baits. And basically, like I said, I only had like an hour and a half to get out there. So that's what I did. Ended up with 2 fish, not giants by any means, but I didn't have a skunk and started the day off right, I guess. So there you have it. Like I said, short and sweet. I'll definitely try to get back on a regular schedule. Also, I had to take a little bit of a break from Tackle Box Tuesday. Like I said, once I got started ramping up everything, basically the bottom fell out of everything else that's going on. So we'll get that started back up real soon. I got a lot of baits definitely want to talk to you guys about. But in the meantime, again, thank you for watching. have it. Like I said, short and sweet. A couple fish in the boat before work. Can't complain about that. Definitely check out Real Fine Custom Lures and Pro Tour Baits. I'll link them down below. Again, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, I really do appreciate it. Go ahead and smash that like button. If it's something you want to see more of, definitely think about subscribing. It really means a lot to me. Until next week, I'm Tim, and this is Go Fishing.